Well, you see, beginners run into a problem when trying to make games in Godot, that is how and where to start. And well, the answer is making games in Godot is easy actually. You just need to learn these few basic nodes as a beginner before you can make decent playable games. No need to get tense over 100 plus nodes thinking where to start. These nodes are divided into two parts. One, functionality nodes, and two, visual, UI, and sound. Node 2D, the basic building block for most 2D game objects. It provides position, rotation, and scale, making it the parent node for many gameplay elements. Character body 2D, used to create player characters or enemies that move using code. It includes built-in movement and collision handling. Collision shape 2D defines a physical shape of an object for collision detection. It tells Godot where an object can be touched or blocked. Collision polygon is same as collision shape 2D, except that it is used for uneven shapes. Camera 2D controls what part of the game world the player sees. It can follow the player, create smooth movement, and keep the action centered on the screen. Area 2D detects when other objects enter or leave a specific area. Perfect for pickups, checkpoints, damage zones, and triggers. Raycast 2D casts an invisible line to detect objects in a direction, useful for checking walls, ground, obstacles, or line of sight. Timer counts down for a specified duration and then emits a signal, great for cooldowns, delays, spawning, and repeated events. Sprite 2D displays a 2D image in the game world. It's the main way to make objects visible to the player. Control the base node for all user interface elements. It automatically adapts to different screen sizes and resolutions. Canvas layer draws UI elements on a separate layer so they stay fixed on the screen, even when the camera moves. Label displays text on the screen, commonly used for scores, health, instructions, and dialogue. Color Rect draws a solid colored rectangle, useful for backgrounds, overlays, health bars, and fade effects. Buttons, a clickable UI element that performs an action when pressed, used for menus, settings, and user interactions. Audio Stream Player 2D plays sound effects in the 2D world. The sound volume and direction change based on its position relative to the listener. These nodes are easy to learn and retain even for beginners, and serve as a base when you will learn more advanced nodes or work on complex projects. The programming required in these nodes to make them work according to your needs are not too difficult to learn also. Even all of my projects are almost built on using these nodes. So, if you want to get into Godot game development, then go ahead, learn these nodes. Experiment with them and build cool projects. Peace out and see you soon.